Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at another small tool that's invaluable to anyone that's doing any kind of electrical work. Whether you're an experienced electrician or a DIY weekender, you've got to have one of these receptacle testers. So let's dig in. First of all, what in the world does this thing do? Let's come in a little bit closer and you can see it's a pretty simple tool. It just plugs right into an outlet. So after I wire up an outlet and turn the power onto it, I want to plug this thing in and make sure that I have that wired exactly how it should be. Let's see if we can focus in here. And we're going to see a bunch of different listings of different light combinations. So this tester has 3 lights on it, and depending on which combination of these 3 lights is lit up will depend on what the fault reading is for that receptacle. Ideally, I'll have 2 yellow lights, and that will indicate that I wired that receptacle up properly. Let's plug it in and see it in action. Here we are in the kitchen where we can see this thing in action. So this is a GFI receptacle. I'm going to plug this straight into the outlet, and we can see that the 2 yellow lights are lit, indicating that this outlet has the correct wiring. To test the GFI receptacle, I'm going to press this red button, and it's going to trip that GFI circuit. I can just reset that, and it's going to turn the circuit back on. I plug this in every receptacle that I wire up just to double check. There are a few options that this has. It will tell you if there's an open ground, an open neutral, i.e. your neutral is not connected, an open hot, that's going to be indicated by no lights shown because there's no power to the tester, a hot and ground reversed, hot and neutral reversed, or correct wiring. A lot of inspectors use these, county inspectors locally. They'll maybe not plug this in every receptacle in a house when they do an inspection, but they'll go through and maybe 1 or 2 in every room just to make sure they're wired correctly. It's an inexpensive tool that can ensure that you're doing quality work. This particular tester is made by Southwire. I typically prefer the Klein or Fluke brand names, but at the end of the day, I think they're all going to perform about the same. So check out the Amazon links in the description below where you can purchase one of these for yourself. It's one of those things you almost can't afford not to have. Go ahead and get yourself one. Hit subscribe and tap the bell to be notified about future videos. We'll see you next time.